change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
Some of this bad boy and cover up the rust. It'll look like this.
We are close. Can you feel it? Something is behind.
Good morning! It's +5. It's a wonderful day to be on the bus. Just want to give a little bus update. So we grinded it, grinder. We removed as much rust as possible without compromising the main structural frames of the bus. And now we've gone ahead and put a coat of Rust Restorer, which is a trim clad product. I may have put it on prematurely because the cold weather. I was really anxious to try it, and it seems to be dry, but I've been advised that it may not hold up or it could be compromised. I'm gonna put another coat of this black trim clad Rust Restorer on all the main frames on the ceiling and along the top, and then I'm gonna put a second coat of just a rust paint. Get a nice solid seal on all the metal pieces. And then we're gonna go ahead and spray foam the whole ceiling. We went back and forth with all the different options: foam board, spray foam, pink insulation, yak hair, wool, you know, all kinds of stuff. But we're gonna go with foam because we'll get a complete seal. And then to the floor, we removed the ramp and exposed a bit of the floor just to make sure there's not any major rust. It looks pretty decent. There's some surface rust, but we're gonna clean that up a bit and again coat that with some of that black Rust Restore. And then I'm going to close in the ramp to protect these lines. What I'm actually going to do is bring this floor up so it's completely level. You'll see this first row drops down about 3 inches and we have this old ramp spot. But we're actually going to bring the floor up and make it completely level with the rest of the main floor of the bus. So that's what I'm doing today. Something I came across opening up this ramp, we also have the cold air intake for the air system of the bus. So we have cold air intake and then the hot and cold air comes out the middle vents. We took a peek inside the cold air intake and what we found was pretty crazy. I don't know if you can see this very clearly. I'm just gonna reach in and show you. This is dust in the cold air intake. And it's a few inches deep. So I'm gonna vacuum as much of that as I can.
Baby, let it come to you.
Okay, and we're rolling. Little bus update. We are insulating the ceilings. We decided after much deliberations, I think I said before, we're gonna do spray foam. Too messy, too much toxins, not good for the health, not good for anything. Only good for a complete seal. But unfortunately, we just don't wanna mess with it. So we went with foam board. We're just gonna cut that and get as tight a seal as possible. It's really easy to work with. You make a score and it just pops and breaks. And then you can put it into place.
We could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
Alright! We've insulated the ceiling. As you can see, there's white foam all over the ceiling. Our next step is this product. This is just another brand, Blueskin. It's called Resisto. Basically, it's just an air and vapor barrier. And what I'm gonna do is apply this tape on all the joints and overlap on all the foam board so that we hopefully get a complete thermal break. Hopefully it'll keep all the moisture and air out.
So baby, we should start living now.
Oh boy. We're famous!
Is it still? It's...
We're gonna be here a while. Make some gumbo! I don't like close-ups.
You're gonna need a
Might be
mallet.
nervous.
You're gonna need the mallet here.
Get up my nose hole. Get a real good close-up on my nose hole. And then you can check out my gut hole after. Whoa, you're shouting. Alright, looks good. Made of wood, real good.
Oh! Don't worry about that. Made of wood. It's real sturdy.
Yesterday.
We got a problem now. Oh boy.
What?
Oh no we don't.
Oh what? Oh no we don't.
Oh we do.
What?
Whoopsies. Whoopsies doodles. 5.5.
This life, wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close. Can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it. That we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
We got the mattresses for our bunks, and I'm just gonna show you guys.
If you want me to read a book to you,
We did it!
for real.
And then Adri's just hanging out on her bed. Can't see her face. There. Oh, there's Emmy.
Okay, kids need to go to bed.
Yeah, it's bedtime.
Here.
But yeah, we got the mattresses for our bunks.